Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento. So today we are going to learn about the commands. So basically whenever we all always time, let's just copy and paste the command every time. So it's like waiting for the time, right? So it's better we can create a new file that is deploy or something .sh file. So whenever I run this file, so all the commands whatever in that it's gonna be run at the time. So I'm not going to worry about like I need to run this command after that, I need to run this command after that. So we are going to create such a .sh file. So when my all the work has been done and I want to deploy the code on the production or something, I will try to create a new file where all the list of commands are here. I'm just going to write it and it will run all the commands, so it saves my time. So how we are going to do that, so we are going to learn in that video. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like it. Okay, so let's get started. So let's suppose I have a question like whenever we have this project on Magento, whenever we have to run the commands, we have to run individual commands. Like if I will go with this compile command, I would like to run this command individual, then this individual, then this, then that. So then after the permissions, so I want to run all these commands in a single one. How I'm going to do that? So there is we have to create a deploy.sh file in our folder, and we have to run that part, right? So let's have a look how we are going to implement it. So here we go with my Sublime, right? And here we go deploy.sh. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, so here we go with this one. I'm going to create a deploy.sh, open with terminal, h.sh. Okay, so here the file deploy.sh. So I'm going to paste this, maintenance disable, and whatever we have to add, we can add over here, right? If you want to remove the cache, we don't require the cache also, and this we don't require it. Okay, so just we need to add the compile first, and then we need to add the upgrade, then we need to add this one, where it is the code line deploy. We know this is the series, we need to add this one, right? deploy.sh. So here we go with this one. Cache flash we don't require, I guess. Need to just add this one, and we will add here like eco compile is done, right? And upgrade is done. Upgrade is done. Deploy contents deployed. Static contents is done, and permissions done. Permissions added successfully. Permissions added successfully. So this we have created the file. Okay, let's run it. I think we should move to the deploy.sh into the pub file, because all the data is coming from the pub. Okay, so let's run deploy cd pub deploy. Unless there is pub dot. So cd, sorry, dot sh permissions denied. So I think we should add the permissions over here. So what is the permissions of that one? Let me check this one because I know how to add the permissions over here. Just give me a second. I have a there is a issue in that there is a permissions issue, so we have to add the permissions over here, right? So permissions might be like you can see that here we go with this. I think this is the different part. Okay, clear it. We will check the history, right? So you need to add sudo chmod um, plus x and the name of the file deploy.sh. So you need to add permissions like this. After adding the permissions, now we have to add the file deploy.sh. Here you can see that deploy.sh we have already added. Now we can run this. So you can see that I need to just sit idle and the rest of the commands will gonna be adding like this. You can see that. Now the commands are gonna be running step by step. Let's have a look. So whatever we have added, it's working or not. See, compile is done. Upgrade is done. Right? You can see that whatever we have added, it's just printing over here. Permissions is also added successfully. You can see that, right? So every part is done, and now you can see that we can automatically load this website successfully. So this is how I need to just write a simple a simple file. Whatever commands you can write, you can add it, just run it, and it will deploy all the code accordingly. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.